So we're at Lake Nillahcootie today for Matt's birthday, which was yesterday. And this is his new toy that we got him. New birthday present. So Matt's just cooking us up some lunch. Gonna show us what we got. Oh, beautiful. And then we're gonna do some fishing. The weather's not great, but that's okay. It'll still be fun. Surely the fish will still be out. At least it's not actually raining at the moment, so see how we go. So today's plan, gonna start off with some worms, and then gonna bring out the secret weapon. Oh, she's already caught. Good, good. Then we got the glow-in-the-dark ushies. So surely we'll catch something. I'll catch one with a worm first and then go to the ushies, I reckon. What are we catching, Matt?
Fish.
Yeah, good. So it's been in for a solid 5 seconds. It's already fucking caught. Yeah, no, she's snagged. Goodbye. She's a bit choppy. First fish of the day.
Where the fuck are you?
Oh my god.
Holy fuck.
Oh my god, Caitlin. What the fuck?
Get fucked.
Holy fuck, that is huge. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Me, Caitlin.
That is better than I ever fucking do.
You got it in so easy though. That was fucking easy. What the heck? Oh my god, Caitlin. Verdict, 52 centimeters. Fuck yeah. Bye. Swell happening at Lake Nillahcootie. Might as well beat the fucking ocean. That's insane. So we just got the boat in. It's a bloody struggle. The waves are crazy, like you literally think you're at the ocean. It's a freaking lake. But anyway, yeah, it was hard to get the boat in, but we just like went to the side and then literally just like pushed it in because there's no way you could drive it up. The waves were just taking it like crazy. So it's so cold. It's windy. The rain's on and off, like it's not too bad, but just the wind, oh my god, it's freezing. So I'm at home now. Just thought I'd finish the vlog because my battery died at Lake Nillahcootie when I was ending the vlog. So yeah, we only caught the one fish for the day. Well, Caitlin caught the one fish for the day. But we're just glad that someone got a fish because it's pretty frustrating when you go out all day and then no one gets anything. So just glad that someone got one. But yeah, it's pretty decent, a 52 centimeter cod. So pretty happy with that. But yeah, there's quite a few different fish you can catch out there apparently. And they were like jumping out of the water, like you could see them. So they were active, but anyway, at least we got one. I tried out my ushies and they didn't work, but I'm gonna stick at it because I've seen videos and photos of people online who have caught fish with the glow-in-the-dark ushies. So gonna keep trying, and one day I'm gonna catch one with one. Gonna make it happen. So yeah, there's quite a few like bits around the edge that you can just like fish off the bank and that, or there's the boat ramp that you can obviously put your boat in like we did. But I think a lot of it is also private property, like on the other side, like the bank of the lake. So, but yeah, would highly recommend going out there, even just for a look or you know, I don't know, it's just so pretty out there because you've got like Mount Samaria and like Strathbogie, like the mountains all surrounding it, and apparently it's really good for fishing as well. We just probably didn't go on the best day, and probably would have been better if we went like later in the day as well, like afternoon, like sunset time. But yeah, we had a really good day, even though it was not the best weather, but it's all part of it, it's just water. It dries off, so that was good.